Hello, Colin. I received your email. Believe it or not, this is a very big, crazy time difference between us. Right now, it is 8:30 in the morning. I'm not sure exactly what time it is where you live, but it must be nighttime right now. So I have my machine right here. I went ahead and I opened it. Now, I'm not sure exactly where you want me to test the voltage, that 9 volt voltage that you're I have my tester here, but I really, like I told you, I'm not really an expert. So I really, if you can send me like a very clear picture pointing exactly where you want me to test that voltage, I can go ahead and do that. I have my machine right here. This machine is working very well as yours. I mean, I've used yours. I think it was my fault. I forgot to let you know that I had actually set up your machine for 110 volts, since that's pretty much the voltage that I use here where I live in San Jose, California. This is where you change the voltage. I believe you already made that change. Unfortunately, after it popped your fuse. Yes, let me know exactly where to place my voltmeter. You told me it was near the rear of the machine. I don't see anywhere stating 9 volts like you said. If you just want to send me a regular image, I go ahead and test that voltage for you. I actually have recordings that were made in the UK that I purchased about a year ago. Right here, this is actually the recording that I made live on one of my videos, my YouTube videos. I have my monitor here. I just uh, I just want to show you that how well these machines work. Now, this machine is on. It's so advanced. I mean, compared to the consumer machines that were sold back between 1980 and 1983, somewhere around in there. So this one has a recording that I made from my computer. Put that in there, press play, and you'll be able to see that video on that screen right there. I mean, it's a very nice picture. I mean, for such an old machine, for such an old format, I mean, it's not bad. The colors, they're pretty muted. Not that bright colors, but I mean, it's not bad. I do use this machine quite a bit. I think it's a very fun machine to use. So yes, I don't want to make this video too long. Let me go ahead and press stop. Let me remove this recording that I made and let me place a recording that was made in the UK. Obviously, it will not be 100% compatible because this machine is in fact an NTSC standard, which is the 29.97 frames per second. Now, this is the PAL standard. This was recording way back in the 80s in the UK. Let me go ahead and place this in here. Now, I did transfer this to a digital format by using the machine that I sent you quite a while ago. It's probably been about 6 months ago. Let me go ahead and press play and let me show you what happens. Now you lose the color. I mean, you're the expert. I've noticed you've made some videos where you explain that when you play back a PAL standard recorded film onto an NTSC machine, you will get some weird things going on. Like, for example, you lose the color. It's in black and white. This seems like it's a home in the UK. Somebody recorded, I don't know why. This recording has a bunch of homes, a bunch of streets, stuff like that. So yes, you have a lot of dropouts. You have that black and white colored video. You have a lot of jittery movement. You even have some tearing. Notice that black bar, that's that screen tearing. So yes, this video looks very nice, but not on this machine. It looks very nice on the machine that I sent you. Let me go ahead and press stop and let me place another one. I have about 6 recordings that were made in the UK that I have transferred already. I mean, if you believe it would help you if I send you the digital transfers of those PAL standard videos, I can go ahead and do that via the WeTransfer service. So this is another recording that was made back in the 80s in the UK with a PAL standard machine. All right, once again, we have that black and white. You lose the color, you get a lot of dropouts, you get a lot of jittering. Uh, yes, this video was made in the UK back in the 1980s. I'm not sure exactly what year because the cases for these, they had no writing on them at all. But luckily, I actually had an NTSC machine as well as a PAL standard machine. But the PAL machine I don't really use that much because, I mean, I don't really get that many PAL standard recordings since I live way over here in California. So let me go ahead and press stop. So yes, I don't want to make this video too long. Just send me a simple photo showing me exactly where to place my leads, and I'll let you know what voltage is on there. Hopefully that helps you.